Okay, so I've got some guy down here fishing. I think he's got a fishing net in his bag. I don't know whether he's just about to set his net or what. Geez, there's a lot of plastic on the beach again. Look at this. Wow. All those little plastic cups, they're friggin' everywhere. Alright, so I don't know what he's doing. He's jumping in the water. Whether he's going to swim me out and drop his net or he's finished, I don't know. Lagi mancing, Pak? Mancing?
Jaring.
Oh, ada jaring. Ya. Oh, ada ikan, ya?
Ada ikan kecil. Banyak sampah.
Mullet, little bream and mullet. Ya, banyak sampah di sini. Ya, hari ini kotor.
Sampah kiriman. Musim.
Ya, musim hujan, ya.
Angin barat.
Alright, so he's got a few little fish. Yeah, he's got a net. They just let the net, and it sort of floats out in the current. They find a little rip, actually, and let the rip take it out. And you can see he just had a few little mullet and a couple of little tiny baby bream or something, you know. And he'll probably go home and fry them up to a crisp, and that'll be his breakfast. So Lucy's jumped off the bike when I slowed down way up there. Oh, here she comes, look. She panics when she thinks I leave her behind, so. And they got the truck down here cleaning up all the rubbish, which is good. Lucy! Come on, here. Here she comes. Come on, Lucy, come on. Alright, we'll move up a bit further actually. I'm going to meet a couple of YouTubers, yeah. A couple that you definitely probably know. And looks like I'm a bit early. So we'll just check out the beach. It's very quiet, it's just finished raining. You see the big storm out here to sea. There's another one coming by the look of it. It's been a massive rain this morning. And anyway, we'll head over here to Happy Warrung, Lucy Warrung. And yeah, see what's going on, see if they're here yet. I think I'm early. So as you can see, I've got the new Southern Cross T-shirts on. They look so much better with the Southern Cross stars. I should have been doing that the whole time actually. But yeah, these shirts are for my members. Yeah, they look good. So from now on, they're going to have the Southern Cross stars on, which they should have in the beginning anyway, I suppose. And here they are, the two best food vloggers in Bali. Look out.
Only second best to Grant from SouthernCrossGO, local.
Don't forget to subscribe. Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you, Grant.
So anyway, I contacted Maddie and Beck, and yeah, we arranged to meet and have a coffee, yeah.
We are.
All right. Look out, they just hit 9,000 subscribers this morning. Bloody good, eh? How's that?
Oh, great.
We follow Southern Cross. I can't remember his first name.
Grant.
Grant, I knew that. Yeah.
So got a subscriber here that just spotted us and come in and have a
I
chat.
don't know if she's going to walk his father.
Can you talk to her?
Them women are lazy, aren't they, mate, eh?
Would you mind if I just get a little...
What?
I won't touch it because I'm sweating.
No, that's right.
What's the mate, mate?
We've come over here for a cool change.
All right.
It's 40 today and we've had 2 weeks of 40 plus.
Oh, really?
49 and 50.
Yeah, right.
Which can get hot in Mildura.
Very.
It can get hot.
But it's a nice clear heat, so
Yep,
it's not too bad.
Well, about 5 minutes it's going to be raining, mate. You'll cool right here.
We'll have a coffee. Come around here.
All right, well, it's been really nice meeting you too.
Lovely to meet you, Grant.
All right.
Lovely to meet you, Grant.
All right, and yes, it has. Where's my kiss? What's this handshake stuff? We're going to watch out. Maddie might get jealous from us old fellas.
Give Grant a subscribe. He'd appreciate it.
A few minutes later.
Right, so this is all for the kids at school, the Ogga Festival. Look, you've got the Oggas here. This will be the local primary school here. And the kids love making them too, just like the adults make the big ones.
2 hours later.
On Jalan Kediri, I suppose this is Tuban. Is it Tuban? Yeah, at the Park 23 shopping mall. It's a big mall, it's never really busy in here. But we've got to drop off Yuli's brother's passport. He's to pick up his Canadian visa, he's going to Canada or something. So I've never really been in here and had a look around. Downstairs we have, but not in here. So I don't know what's in here. Maybe shopping centre. Hey bro. Alright. There's bomb checks at the parking and metal detector on the way in the mall. And there's nothing in here, everything's closed. They've got a badminton court in the middle of the shopping centre. So it's 3 levels, a few people around. Looks like there's food upstairs or something. Well, it goes downstairs as well. There's a church in here. And on the top floor, look how many people are waiting. Visa application centre, so visa preparation service. Bali, so it must be one big visa service. They just do visas for anywhere. So I suppose mainly for Indonesians, but yeah. Alright. It's not a busy mall. I think there's mainly just like offices and things like that in here because it's not a real popular shopping mall. So,
They have cinema.
martial arts studio. There's a cinema I think in here. Yeah, Euro car rentals. And oh yeah. Baksam Jimbaran. A bit of food. And upstairs, I don't know what's upstairs. Visa preparation service. Ah, is that it upstairs? Go work. I don't know, maybe this is a co-working space or like internet working space. I don't know. Simplify your workspace needs in Bali. Go work. Innovative and flexible solutions. I don't know whether it's just somewhere you can come and do your work maybe. Seems to be a fair few people in here. It probably is just a workspace. Private rooms and conference rooms and things like that. Alright. And this is another part of the visa centre here. Passport photos, local transfer, visa consultants, flight and booking. It seems very busy. There's probably about 20 Indonesians waiting there, so it must be a pretty good company, I suppose. Apparently my brother-in-law, he's used it a few times and he's going to Canada for, I don't know. He's always travelling all over the world, so anyway, I'll wait for Yuli over here and that's about it. Yeah, I'm stuck with her bag. The visa place wouldn't let me take a bag in, so I'm just stuck walking around with the girl's bag. This visa place has got higher security than it's like a consulate. They scan you to go in, and it's all like European visas, by the Portugal, Sweden, Bulgaria, Finland, German, Holland. It's all European visas and stuff. Canada as well. New Zealand, there's a New Zealand section. But the security, I don't know why there's such heavy security. It's not as if they're carrying heaps of money or whatever. So I can't go in. So I'm sort of stuck to sit out here on the floor. Here comes Yuli now, I think. Alright. So she couldn't put her brother's passport in anyway. She's got to get all these forms filled out. She's got to send off to him. Then they're going to send his passport to Jakarta. And then after that, we'll bring it back in or something. See that?
2 hours later.
So we're at the Mivui in Hanoi on Jalan Chamara in Sanur. And have lunch. Going to meet a friend here from school. Hey. Johnny!
How you going?
How are you?
Yeah, pretty good.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, wonderful to see you. Hello, you.
All right.
Yeah, wonderful.
So John's an old friend from school back in the old days.
Yeah,
Back in the,
ago.
huh? We're relics now, mate. We're antiques. Thank you. All right, so these are our Vietnamese coffees. They're really good, and it's like coffee in the ice. So they make coffee and then freeze it, and then you pour them this. It's like warm milk over the top, and just let it melt. The only thing, it takes like half an hour to drink one because it takes ages to melt. A really good coffee.
Yeah,
So what do you get? It's just a pho, is it? Pho?
Yes, it is. Chicken.
Chicken, and you only got a beef. So this is a Saigon pho with beef, and John got the chicken. And I'm going to get this plate that I always get, the platter thing. It's really good. It's got a mixture of everything in it. Hey, look at this. I got my platter, which I always get. It's really good. So you get the prawn skewers, the chicken ones, spring rolls, roast paper rolls, and all the lettuce and the condiments. So you take the meat and you roll it up in the lettuce and make like your little roll out of it. Alright, so you just get a bit of your meat, herbs, roll it up in your lettuce, and make like a little wrap. And that's how you eat it. So good too. It's always, this place is always sort of fairly busy, so you know the food's going to be fresh and always good. Pretty stylish with that grab hat on, mate.
Yeah.
Hey? All right, John. Nice to see you again.
Yeah, wonderful to see you again.
See you when you get back next time.
Yeah. Bye. Safe flight.
Yeah, thank you for lucky.
Yeah. Okay, so that was good to catch up with John. He's a old schoolmate. We went to school together when we were kids, from primary school right through to high school, and yeah, he actually lived in Indonesia for many years. He speaks fluent Indonesian. He's actually a translator for the government in Jakarta for many years, and yeah, it's good to have a chat. All right, so we are off home. So he bought everything, did he? Pay for all that takeaway as well? How much was it all? Wow, thanks Johnny.